Electric vehicle demand remains a worry, as does Musk's public behavior. Here to discuss is George Gianarikas, managing director and senior analyst with Canaccord Genuity. He currently has a buy rating on Tesla with a $304 price target. And George, as you mentioned in your note, visibility, that's what investors are craving. So what's the likelihood that CEO Elon Musk in today's earnings call is able to provide that to investors? How Tesla plans to overcome some of the bigger challenges when it comes to the timeline around robo-taxis, the Model 2, the competition from China?
Well, thanks for having me on. Look, it's been pretty unsettling over the last month or so in Tesla in terms of the news, and it's for two reasons. First, the earnings visibility in the near term has been dark. I mean, we've had lower than expected deliveries. We had price cuts very recently. That's clouded the outlook for 2024. More importantly, some of the articles over the last few weeks have indicated, to your point, that this next generation vehicle would most likely be a robo-taxi as opposed to a vehicle that's ready for the masses in the near term. And that's a really big determinant of earnings power of 2026, 2027. So that's what's happened to investors. They've had their 2024 earnings estimate shot, and potentially these 2026 earnings ramps shot to 2028 and 2029. So people are just looking for hope, either hope for the near term or hope for over the next couple of years when we get on this earnings call tonight.
But hope only lasts so long. What would you say to investors who are trying to figure out whether they own this stock going into earnings, especially when there isn't that clarity around the timeline for the cheaper Tesla car, which so many, not only investors, but consumers have been waiting for as well?
Look, we take a long-term approach, a 12-month approach to our price target. And all I have to say is, look, it's been dark for Tesla in the past. I've covered this stock for many years. I've been through several dark times. And ultimately, you make a bet on this company, and in our opinion, it's going to pay off over the long term. What Tesla is doing by having this full self-driving software, which is incredibly important to the future of the company, is that essentially they're making the vehicles on the road, and every vehicle they sell, software upgradable. That can essentially double the gross margins of the firm, of the auto business, if you opt in to buy a license. It's really important. And ultimately, they can change the economics of their business and the auto business at large. It's similar to what other companies have done, whether it's Amazon and commerce, Netflix and media, Google and advertising. This is why investors have a hard time valuing these companies in the near term, because ultimately they change the paradigm of the industry that they're going into.
It's a very, very interesting point. I've said on this program many times, I am an owner of a Tesla, and I'll talk to you about it forever if you'd like. But this is a very interesting approach. What they did was they offered existing owners a month free trial of full self-driving. Then they offer to sign you up for a subscription at $100 a month. That means that company, which was going to get zero money out of me over the next 12 months, might now get $1,200 a month, $1,200 a year from me, and $1,200 from thousands of other drivers should they agree to sign up. I really think that's a smart point, George, about the idea that this becomes a part subscription model.
That's exactly right. And it's a really important part of the story for existing vehicles and ultimately that robo-taxi. And if you read the biography, on Elon Musk, there's this massive debate inside Tesla. Do we go with something that's more conventional first, that has a wheel and pedals? Or do we remove those because we really believe that this full self-driving software will be ready for prime time in 2026? We'll see. It's very controversial. Ultimately, he's a businessman. If it's not ready by 2026, we're very confident that he'll opt to build the one with the wheel and pedals. And so we're obviously much more optimistic than most in terms of the next 12 and 24, 36 months. We think that there have been many dark times, like we said, and ultimately they pay off because this is the kind of entrepreneur. He's generational. And ultimately, we're big believers in autonomy, and vehicles over the next 5 years will just change the way they operate.
All right, stock down 41% this year, but actually higher by about 2% going into earnings. George, thanks for lending your expertise.